The average bird has a brain the size of a walnut. But that doesn't mean they don't have street smarts. Some scientists even claim that crows are as intelligent as the great apes. Like chimps, they use tools to gather food. For New Caledonian crows, twigs or leaves come in handy when fishing insects out of holes. And these birds are just as good at problem solving in the lab as in the wild. Check this out. A crow tries to use a wire to get at a tasty treat. When it doesn't work, he actually bends the wire into a hook and lifts the food right out. The birds don't just use thin wires or sticks. They can use their beaks to push buttons or even drop stones to release the good stuff. They also learn from experience. These crows in Japan are using cars as nutcrackers. They drop a nut into traffic and wait for it to become roadkill. But that's the easy part. The hard part is retrieving the food without getting run over. So the crows have learned the rules of the road. They just wait for the light to change. It's a quick, safe meal on the go. So the next time you want to give someone a compliment, call them a bird brain.